How to create YouTube short videos from long videos in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a horizontal video to my timeline and I want to create a vertical video from it. Right-click on your timeline and select Timelines, Timeline Settings. Uncheck Use Project Settings checkbox. Check Use Vertical Resolution checkbox. Change Mismatched Resolution to Scale Full Frame with Crop and click OK. Now we have this vertical video, but sometimes my subject is not visible on the screen. To fix this problem, select the video and open up the Inspector panel. Expand the Smart Reframe section and click on Reframe button. This will automatically detect the subjects in each shot and put the subject on the screen. If you don't have access to Smart Reframe section, cut the parts of the video where the subject is not visible and change the position X and Y values until the subject is in the frame. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.